Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to use Adobe Acrobat Sign and Fill. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open Adobe Acrobat right here. And once we do that, just open the file or the PDF that you want to edit. So let's say for example, this is the one that we want to edit. So just double click right there. And once we do that, we will see this PDF. So to use fill and sign, all we have to do is to go on the left screen and then click fill and sign. And then once you do that, you can add fill and sign yourself, or you can get an e-signatures fast. And then if you want to add a signature, all we have to do is to click this, and then you can put your signature by typing like this one, by drawing like this one, something like that. And then you can also upload an image. But I'm just gonna go here on the draw, and let's say for example that this is my signature. I'm just gonna click apply, and then you can now put it around, maybe this one right here. You can adjust the size. And then you can also add some text, which is right here. Just make sure that you highlight this and then double tap on the PDF, and then you can put your name. So you example write this, and then if you want to put some X, all you have to do is to click that and then put this right there. If you want to put some check, you can check this one like this, also this one, and then so on and so forth. And once you are now done with this, let's say for example you want to save it, all you have to do is to click this save button. And then once you do that, you will now be asked where is the destination of the file that the PDF should be saved, and then you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.